Good afternoon. It's Friday. Time for a Friday update. This is a 53 sedan Belair. You've seen a video on this one already. This one is an engine change out, and he provided the motor, but this is a 53. As you well know, with 52 to 54s, you need a side motor mount from the factory, and the 55 to 57s do not. So we have these front side motor mounts. So part of it is a weld-in, and part of it is a bolt-on. So the bolt-on is on the block, and the weld-in is on the frame. So this is all in, so we'll be getting busy putting this together.